Hi, my name is Mani Alikani. I am Dean and Professor at CTOR Academy, and I'd like to welcome you to another session of CTOR channel. Today, in celebration of 5,000 subscribers, I like to dedicate this session to answer to some of the questions that has been posted on our channel. Some of you have asked what mechanotherapy really means. Mechanotherapy is the application of the science of biomechanics, biology, physics to address craniofacial deformities and malocclusion. So it doesn't matter actually where in the body you try to apply this science, you study the interaction between the principles of the physics and biology and how to stimulate a tissue response to correct certain deformity in your patient. The second question that many people ask me is where we can find some references in addition to the books to read some of this information about mechanotherapy and other advances in understanding craniofacial orthopedics. Majority of the talks that I'm giving during this video series are published in the peer-reviewed journals. So if you go to the PubMed and search for the authors or for the topics, you will see the articles that we have published. Also, some of the articles you can download directly from Innovation website, and you can see the link for Innovation website also in the screen. Some of you have asked me, is this information that I provided through the YouTube is applied for certain age? The principles of mechanotherapy is not specific for certain age. It applies to any deformities or malocclusion that appears during the life of the individual. So you can use these principles by understanding the limitation that each age has on the response and apply it in any patients that you have at any age. Some of our viewers, I think especially the one that they want to receive a treatment, they ask where we can find a provider for this type of treatment. CTOR Academy is a place to train orthodontists to learn about this technique. Very soon we will have orthodontists all around the world that are familiar with this system, and they can provide treatment wherever you are located. However, meanwhile, unfortunately, CTOR Academy at this moment is the only place that provides this treatment. So please contact us, especially if you are a patient, for the consultation, or if you are an orthodontist that likes to get more advanced training on this subject, just contact the CTOR Academy. We provide the information on the screen about both groups. Another series of viewers were asking us where we can get the Mechanotherapy book. Mechanotherapy book is published by CTOR Press, so the best way to purchase the books is directly go to the CTOR Press website, and also it would be available in Amazon very soon. So for the US market, they can also obtain it through the Amazon. Other viewers have asked how many books are in the series and when we can expect the next volume. The third volume will be available soon. We are working on that. It's devoted to the dentofacial deformities. But to be able to address those dentofacial deformities, you need to have a good knowledge on bone biology, cartilage biology, mechanical response of these tissues, growth and development. So it's a more comprehensive book that we are hoping it will be released in 1 year. Definitely we will devote one YouTube session to introduction of the book and what to expect from that book. Here is a questions from some of our colleagues that they like to see if we have a specific courses for mechanotherapy treatment for our patients. We have online courses, we have in-person courses. If you are interested to register any of those courses, please go visit CTOR Academy website and you can see the schedule of the courses, and based on your time and your interest, you can select the course that you like to attend. Some people ask if there is a specific appliance that we are using to address the patient's problem. In addition to the CTOR inventions, such as micro-osteoperforations, such as vibration, external plate, periusal stimulation, and many others, we mostly focus on using the biological principles and mechanical principles to address the patient's need. So if you're using specific tools, as long as you know how to maximize the application of that tool properly by understanding the biology and mechanics, there is no specific appliance that I can recommend. It's just a knowledge of biology and physics. some people were showing interest on the CTOR plates and they wanted to know where they can find the CTOR plates. CTOR Plates is produced by one German company called PSM. You can directly contact the company. I provide the information on the screen and purchase it directly from them. Some people wanted to know what other videos we're planning to do. The CTOR series in YouTube is divided to different subcategories. One is back to the clinic, that where we show the application of the mechanotherapy principles in treatment of the patients in action. One is devoted to mechanotherapy, that we walk you through more depth understanding of mechanics and physics and how those principles is applied in treatment of the patient. One is dedicated to biology in orthodontics, that we explored how to maximize tissue response to your treatment, and of course one that is dedicated to the research that we do in CTOR Academy. I wanted to thank you again for trusting us, following us on the YouTube. I'm hoping we celebrate another landmark in future videos. Meanwhile, please continue with your questions, and I'm hoping we provide the videos that are valuable for you to learn or to follow. Thank you so much.